How's it going, guys? Just the Crypto here, and today we have a video on will Bitcoin ever crash? Sorry if you guys hear my voice just a little bit off or sniffy or whatever. I'm a little sick right now in December, but anyways, let's get right into the video, guys. So right now we're at Bitcoin price 15,221. Now the question goes, will Bitcoin ever crash? Well, to answer that as in-depth and as best as possible, first we need to understand what happens when Bitcoin's price actually goes down, right? Well, supply and demand. When Bitcoin's price goes down, that means people are selling out of Bitcoin. This is a good example from when Bitcoin Cash was getting a lot of momentum, right? People were selling out of Bitcoin and going into Bitcoin Cash. Now, there's other things that influence the Bitcoin's price, but we're focusing right now on specifically when people get out of Bitcoin, which is one of the biggest things that makes the Bitcoin's price goes down like crazy, right? Everybody that holds Bitcoin is making the price what it is, right? So if I'm holding, let's say, $50 billion worth of Bitcoin, and I grab all my $50 billion of Bitcoin and I sell it out immediately, I sell it to Ethereum, right? Or I sell it in a fiat currency, right? Well, Bitcoin's price will go down because 50 billion is a huge influence as far as Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoin has a $251 billion market cap. If $50 billion were to just go away from Bitcoin's market cap, well, that would lower Bitcoin's price. You get it? So that's pretty much how it goes. That's one of the things that influence Bitcoin. So if people were to get out of Bitcoin, just for some reason, a news outlet or anything like that, even that shouldn't be enough to crash Bitcoin. Now, what do I specifically say by crash Bitcoin? Let's say Bitcoin, look, Bitcoin recently went to its crazy ass growth. I'm talking about in a matter of less than a month, okay? So let's just say if right over here at 1023, right, 2017, which wasn't long ago, like I said, way less than a month ago, less than 3 weeks ago, let's say Bitcoin goes back down lower than 5,000. Is that possible currently with Bitcoin's price at 15,000? No, it's not possible. It really isn't, guys. Yes, Bitcoin was this price before, literally less than a month, but for it to go all the way down to 5,000, first of all, if it were to go down to 5,000, do you know how many people will sell their altcoins, will sell pretty much everything and go straight into Bitcoin because they'll know that it'll go back to 15,000 or higher? So for it to go, first of all, if it ever went to 5,000, everybody would see it as like the biggest discount ever on Bitcoin, right? Buy your Bitcoin now, it'll go back up, right? So as far as Bitcoin crashing to 5,000 specifically, I don't see that happening whatsoever. Now, for Bitcoin's price to crash to 7,000, 10,000, it's slightly possible. There's obviously some big players in Bitcoin that are holding a lot of money, right? There's some people out there that are really rich. They're richer than rich. They're richer than rich is rich. You know, you get me? I mean, like billions and billions of dollars. Now the question is, billions and billions of dollars, 10 billion, something like that, it really wouldn't influence the price much. You might see it lower just a little bit. So to be honest, even the richest people, first of all, it would have to be all of the richest people in Bitcoin selling out. Then Bitcoin's price can crash. But like I said, even if it were to crash, people would see it as a discount and then buy Bitcoin at that moment, and then it'll just go back up or even higher than ever like it's always been. So I guess to ultimately put it, guys, it is very unlikely for Bitcoin to crash, especially at this point where Bitcoin's gaining incredible momentum. I mean, like really crazy momentum, guys. In a week, 37%. In a month, 111%, right? That is some crazy momentum. Let me show you guys what 111% means in a month, right? 30 divided by 30 as in 30 days in a month, 111.82. We're dividing 111.82 into groups of 30. So that equals, and I think I did it wrong. Let me redo that. 30 divided by 111 point, oh wait, it's 111.85 divided by 30 days. That's like getting a 3.72% payout daily for a whole entire month on some, let's say some company that's saying, oh, you could get a 3.72 payout, right? So by the way, guys, any company out there in the cryptocurrency market that guarantees you a specific payout, do not sign up, and definitely don't put your money into it, okay? It is most likely about 90% a scam. Why? Well, just look at all the other, well, that'll be another video, guys. But yeah, guys, that is my input and my own opinion on why Bitcoin's price, well, Bitcoin specifically, will not crash. And even if it did crash, it would just go right back up in a matter of days, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do daily cryptocurrency videos, so make sure you guys subscribe. I have passive income ways that I use myself in the description below, so make sure you guys check that out. And I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Take care.